Best highlight ideas for black hair. Black hair is naturally rich, glossy, and full of depth, but adding the right highlights can transform it into a multidimensional masterpiece. The best highlight ideas for black hair are not just about lightening strands. They are about enhancing natural beauty, creating movement, and adding brightness without compromising hair health. In this in-depth guide, we explore modern highlight ideas for black hair, professional techniques, shade selection strategies, maintenance secrets, and how to avoid common mistakes. If you're considering a color upgrade, this is your expert roadmap. https://best-highlight-ideas-for-black-hair/ #RawHairLuxury, #highlight as for black hair, #caramel highlights for black hair, #blonde highlights for black hair, #balayage for black hair, #red highlights for black hair.